Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 10-year-old apple tree from the garden, and as I've said at previous times, the tree gets its energy from light. So this tree, a lot of the light is excluded due that there are too many branches in the tree. So what I'm going to demonstrate, that in relatively little time one can improve the tree so that the light can get in and the fruit quality will improve enormously. Now the branches which I'm going to take off to make it a more open structure is this branch here, and I'm going to take that branch out, and I'm going to take that branch out, and I'm going to take that branch out and that branch, so that it is more like a bowl shape but with a central leader. I will now start to take those branches out. So the first one I will take as flush as I can, like that. This is the central leader. Nice drooping wood is up there, so I'll take this one out so that the light can pour onto the lower level. Here I've got three branches. One is enough, so we take those two out in one go. The less cuts you make, but a significant cut, the better it is. There is plenty of fruit bud in the tree, so therefore if we can take the main branches out to improve the light, then automatically the tree will do a lot better quality wise. Now we see there's one here and there is one there. So are we going to take both of them out, or are we going to leave that open? In this particular case I would leave this one in, and I would take this one out, and I would take that one out. What further got to come out of this tree is what is left of smaller wood, which is standing right in the middle of the tree. Again, think leaves. Once the leaves are there, it's amazing how much shade is produced. So as I said also before, if you can throw the head through the tree, then usually it means the light is at optimum level in the tree. So this is the basic structure. There are other branches which got to come out because there are several layers on top of each other. This is a nice branch, but it is overlaying this one here. So I will take this lower branch out, which raises the branches to this sort of height. This one is standing at the wrong angle, and there is plenty of fruit bud here, so I cut this one back to about there. Now, that's done enough to that side of the tree. There is one very important branch which got to come out here because it is too dominant for the rest of the tree, and that is this one here. And again, I make one good cut. The tree is not benefiting at all of tiny little cuts. You just have to make room for the light to get in. Okay, that's the structure. Is that complete? No, that's not complete, because there's still one or two branches at the wrong angle. In the end, as I said, you should be able to throw your head through it. So in other words, like that. Thank you for watching.